Hi everyone, my name is Danielle from the Green Collective, and today I'm going to help you fix a leaky tap. Now when you receive your composter, the very first time it's a good idea to test it with water before you put some food scrap in there. Now you can see my tap here is leaking a little bit, not much, but just a little bit wet. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. First thing to do is simply unscrew the tap. Then open your bucket, and at the very bottom there's the nut over there, the white nut. This is where the problem is. So first you need to remove that nut. Then all you need to do is turn it a little bit and make sure one of the pointy side is facing down. So put it back in, screw the tap back on, and then test it with water again. Let's see. That's it. No leak. And that's how you fix your leaky tap. If it's still leaking, just do it again. Remove your nut and turn it another quarter turn, and then try until you find the correct position. Happy composting, everyone.